Hello, my name is Robin Love, and I am the founder of Atha Yoga School. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm coming to you from Western Newfoundland, which is unceded Mi'kmaq territory and the historic land of the Beothuk. So Atha Yoga is an online yoga school, and the word itself, Atha, is the first word of Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. Patanjali's Yoga Sutra is the oldest known written text on yoga and is considered to be the foundational text for most of the yoga that we understand and study today. Atha is a Sanskrit word that means now. For me, the word Atha sums up the entire endeavor of yoga. If you had to choose a word, I would choose Atha, and I think that's why it is the beginning of the text. I also think that when we ask, well, when do we practice yoga? The answer is always Atha. It's always now. And when we turn towards this now, that's when we're practicing yoga. And we can do that at any time, not just when we're on our mats or sitting on a cushion. Now is available to us all day, every day. And really, Atha Yoga School, that is sort of our basis for all our programming. Whether it's group classes, one-on-one, yoga therapy, mentoring yoga teachers, or workshops, special events, and so on. Everything points back that yoga is a tradition that comes from India and the Vedic tradition. And as a way of honoring those roots, we stay close to the texts that have come down to us and respect the teachings that we have received from our teachers. So to that end, Atha Yoga is very much based in the teachings of Sri KRISHNAMACHARYA and his son TKV DESIKACHAR. And they're the school that Mr. DESIKACHAR created in Chennai, India, called KYM, or the KRISHNAMACHARYA Yoga Mandiram. So my teachers have all studied there. I myself have gone there to study, and it is very much in that tradition that Atha Yoga finds itself. So we have an ongoing roster of teachers and programs that changes twice a year. So check in. Our website is Atha Yoga, all one word, ATHAYOGA.ca, because we're based in Canada. Our Instagram page is Atha Yoga _CA, and all the information that you need can be found in those two places, as well as here. So I'm looking forward to getting this page up and running, this channel up and running, and see where it goes. Atha Yoga is young, even though we are based in this ancient wisdom tradition. So subscribe and become part of our wonderful community of practitioners.